100.3 live and local. In case you've missed out on the session we've had, we've been sitting here chatting with Madonna from New Leaf Natural Therapies, all about things anxiety and depression.
Yeah.
Where can they go if they want to come and have a chat with you?
So our current address is 94 Edith Street, Wynnum, between St Vinny's and the post office, so it's easy to find. And our phone number is 3348 6098.
Fantastic. Now, when they come and visit you, no doubt you're going to be able to provide them with all the support.
Yeah.
People do get very emotional.
Absolutely.
And when people come through the door and they're new to this, okay,
Yes.
Madonna, I'm new to this, I'd like to, I'm not feeling the best, how can you help me?
Yes.
How do you approach that?
I always ask what they're willing to do. So that's one of the first things. So some people are not willing to walk. Some people are not willing to change their diet. Some people are not willing to do anything with their lifestyle, but they might be willing to take a few supplements.
Yeah.
So therefore we would start wherever someone's ready. But I'll often write down several things on the script as to the things they could be doing, so that, say 10 minutes of sunshine morning and night,
Yeah.
fresh air every day. Half an hour walking morning and night would be really fantastic. So I sort of write all these things, but, people will choose which ones they're willing to do.
Yeah, one step at a time though.
Yes.
Anyone that's feeling like this might be related to them, one step at a time. And
Yeah.
do not have too much expectations in yourself.
Yeah.
I look at it as someone who's learning to walk.
Yeah.
You're not going to get up and start running.
No,
Babies
no.
can't. So when you go and, if you think you're in this position and the doctors have told you, yes, you are clinically
Yes.
depressed or clinically got anxiety, you guys will be able to help the management.
Yeah.
Like I said, going back to the beginning, one step at a time. So
Yes.
you guys can be there from day one.
Absolutely. One of my clients who, funnily enough, she gets anxious about every drug she takes, every supplement she takes, every change she makes in her anxiety can get so bad that she will double check everything. And so therefore any symptoms she has, whether it's a minor headache or whether it's a little bit of lower back pain or whether her urine is a little bit more yellow than it was yesterday or whatever, she'll start going, oh my God, was that the drug? Was that the supplement? Was that what I ate last night? Was it not enough water? People with anxiety are very stressed.
Yeah, and more aware of what's happening externally.
Yeah.
You are heightened, you are alert, you are in that. And look, guys, when you have anxiety, it's because your brain is saying to you, all right, I'm in fight or flight.
Yes.
What do I want to do?
Yes.
But your brain is saying, I actually don't know what I want to do, but
Yeah.
I'm prepared. So it's like you're in the car and you're ready to take off, but you have nowhere to go. And
Yeah.
you're sitting there, the motor's revving.
Yeah.
And it gets hot.
So I think one of the things that people often like is by the time they've filled out our forms, for a start we do the DAS,
Yeah.
Depression Anxiety Stress Score. So it sort of gives us just a bit of it's not a diagnostic thing, but it basically lets me know whether it's more depression or anxiety or stress. And that just lets me know about hormones. If it's more depression, it's going to be, generally more of the serotonin, dopamine deficiency. If it's more anxiety, there's not going to be enough GABA. If it's stress, there's going to be too much cortisol, adrenaline, noradrenaline. And the thing about natural therapies is that there are herbs and nutrients known to pick things up or calm things down. So we'll sort of find a combination of solutions to really get those in balance. If someone has the real chronic fatigue as well as depression, which often goes hand in hand,
Yeah.
then often some adrenal work or thyroid work or something will be important in the background as well.
Yeah.
And I'll often send them for tests to their doctors as well to make sure that that's not out of whack.
Well, you were just talking about the depression scale before.
Yes.
When you go into your GP, they're going to ask you heaps of questions. They're going to make you bring stuff up you don't want to talk about. But I think part of the management plan should be, when they do the DAS, does this person you'll be talking to your patient.
Yes.
You're more of a natural person. I'm sitting here talking with my lips. You're more of a natural person. Would you like us to referral to New Leaf Natural Therapies?
Yes.
They might be able to help you on this level. We can help you on up here.
Yes.
Natural Therapies can help you
Exactly.
on here. And between the two, between all management teams, the patient's one that's going to benefit holistically.
Yeah.
Look, thank you so much, Madonna. I always love chatting to you. You're always full of information. You're a queen of natural therapies. I look forward to seeing you next week.
Fabulous.
I've got a song for you right now. This is Queen of Hearts. I knew you'd like this one. Juice Newton. Ted's up next to carry you through. Enjoy your lunch. It's been an absolute pleasure. This is Bay FM 100.3.